Traders, hello, evening. It's approaching, no, it's just ticked over 11 p.m. I'm done with the penny stock stuff tonight, and it actually crashed XXII as well, so I'm glad I got out of that one. Like Tim said, it's probably best it was an overnight hold over the weekend, so just got out of that pretty quick, but I knew it was risky, so that's alright. Look, Great British Pound against the US dollar 4-hour chart here. Okay, so it's gone up quite nicely. That's a big retrace. You find with that, it's like throwing a big rock in the water. You're going to have a lot of splash, and I would have thought that'd come up a little bit more. Didn't, again, so that's the first down sort of move, second down move, third down move. That could sort of constitute another down move, because it's on the same day pretty much, was it? Yeah, it was on the same day, so it was 12 and that was 4 o'clock Perth time. So we're watching this now. It's not a bad Monday. New York session's in play, so we'll see what this does. I'm not going to take a trade tonight though, but I just want to point that out. The pound's still on the radar, and I sort of said, a little bit Asian drift during, the middle of the day here in Perth, and then we'll see how this plays out here. Nice indecisive candle would be nice there. So, look, I drew this in here as a potential entry, but okay, so what I do is we'll get the weekly chart up. Woo! Alright, get me out of the way. Alright, so, and we'll get that. Alright, so what are the support levels? What are the support levels? So that's the entry. Well, it would be support if we do want to sell. It's not really visible to me, like. We're quite low in the market. I mean, you've got recent stuff. That's a little bit, not really. It's a little bit there. So you take the trade, but then 129.586 is a potential support level. So it's one of these things. If it's sort of, I'd like it to sort of just bounce a little bit and just peter around the 130 level. It's currently trading at 130.223. So that's what I'm thinking, and potentially target that and then stop. The problem is though, the stop loss as it sits would be around here, and that's in line with the midline. So nope, I don't want that. So this would be red. This will be green. This is probably an unnecessary video, but I'm on holidays, so I got some free time, so I might as well just share my, probably not lime green, probably like a forest green. So an entry around here would be pretty nice. You see how that risk reward's already thrown out a little bit though. So that's more, you're risking more than you can potentially make without encountering a little bit of support. So that's a bit of a problem for me. So we'll see how this goes tomorrow. If that can get closer, we could move the stop loss potentially a little bit lower if the midline's lower, or the another problem is, see, the 55-day moving average is not below the 200-day moving average. So it's not, what that means is it's not really a well-established trend. So yeah, probably no trade here, guys, on the Great British Pound US dollar. Look, thank you for watching. There's nothing really else here. The Aussie's just, it's just trending sideways, and the euro retraced a little bit. But I might be looking for a sell potentially on the euro as well. I saw Walter bring it up. Walter Peters on the Naked Forex Now forum. Look, I don't make money from this or anything. I do make a little bit of commission if you buy a copy of Forex Tester 3. But look, the euro is interesting. Again, though, the problem is, it's still, I like this to be below that, but that's just a prerequisite. It's not, the main thing that I consider is risk to reward is good, and also, when I mean good, at least 1-to-1. If it's 1-to-1, I'm only risking 1% total. It's better, I can dial it up to 2 max. 2 max at one time as well for all positions. So I normally take one trade at a time. That's how I do it. But what I'm referring to is this is a prerequisite, but if you can make a nice little bearish big shadow engulfing candle here on the Tuesday, that would be sweet. If we can just be, some little volume candles during Asia tomorrow, and then in the European or New York session, makes a move down aggressively, I'd like that. And stay tuned, Trade Talk episode 24. We'll be doing that tomorrow night as well, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching. Happy trading. Good luck for the rest of the week, guys. Bye-bye.